Today we are at the Whispering Pines Camping Estates in Stillwater, Pennsylvania. The campground is located in the Red Rock Mountains of northeastern Pennsylvania, and it is nestled among rolling hills and rich farm country. So join me as I do a walkthrough showing the sights and talking about the amenities that are available. They have both seasonal and transient sites. From what I could see, the seasonal sites were grouped in one section together, but they were very well maintained and nicely kept. There is full hookup or electric-only sites, but each site does offer a fire ring and picnic table. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for an aerial view of the campground and the surrounding countryside. The sites are pretty large and there's a lot of room in between them, like this one here. There are two large open grass areas in the campground. This one has a playground area, and looks like there's quite a bit of toys here in this house for the little ones to enjoy. This here would be the area for the tents. There's a bathhouse, and there's also a laundry room with a washer and dryer. Here are some of the cabins that are available also to rent. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, they're definitely large sites with a lot of room. This is ours right here. So we had a pretty nice site with no one on either side of us, since it was early in the season. This is the other large, really big open grass area. And here's another little playground. And the swimming pool, which wasn't open yet because it was too early in the season. Because it was early, the trees didn't have their leaves on yet, so I was able to get some really nice views of the campsite, so you can see actually how much room there is between them and how big they are. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to see more videos like this. Here is their private fishing pond, which is, I believe, catch and release. Well, thank you for watching.